Hey guys, this is our '05 Dodge Ram diesel. There's about 400,000 miles on it. It's been good to us. Got it new in '05 and it's on its second transmission. And this is going to be the second time that I'm going to change the speed sensor in the tail shaft. This transmission is a 48 RE and no code came up. It just started shifting kind of late. And then it shifted early, doing a couple of funny things. So last time I changed the, like I said, speed sensor, and that solved it. It's not an expensive part. I'll show you the box, I'll show you the part number, I'll show you the part, and not too difficult to do. If the transmission's doing anything funny in your truck, give this a try first, and it may save you some money. All right, speed sensor. Speed sensor in the tail shaft, four-wheel drive Dodge Ram. This is the 48 RE transmission. And like I was saying earlier, it's just shifting kind of funny. It is shifting, but sometimes late, sometimes early. And that was the part number. That's the brand. And I got a 1-inch socket, and it is right there. And got a plug, give it a squeeze. 1-inch socket's gonna fit on it, I hope. Yeah, 1-inch socket. Some tranny fluid will come out of this, and I went ahead and parked it on an angle, trying to maybe get more of the fluid toward the front of the trans, but I got a pan underneath it. And let me see if I can get this out of here. See how much of a mess I can make. Yeah, okay. Okay. That'll hold up a catch pan and hopefully it doesn't go all over. I'm underneath the truck and I'm in the driveway here. Actually, I got the other one in hand and I'm gonna try to thread it in quick if I'm getting blasted with fluey. Yeah, it's coming out. And it's hot. Okay, a little bit of a mess, but it could have been worse. Definitely could have been worse. Give it a snug, see what it does. It's got an O-ring, and I hope thing's made of plastic, so I wouldn't go crazy with it. And I did put a wad of dielectric grease in the end, just to keep out the moisture, water kicking up. Gotta wipe that plug off a little bit. I got some trans fluid on there. Send it in. Yeah, wrong way. Okay, boom. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. And we're gonna try it and see if it works. Somebody going by with a moped.